Australia, home of beautiful beaches and coastlines. Aussies love to be in the water, whether swimming or surfing. But water is an increasingly rare commodity. That's why a responsible use of water becomes more important than ever. Sydney Water is aware of this responsibility as a water supplier in Sydney and for over an area of more than 12,000 square kilometres. In order to continue providing a world-class service to its customers, the company needed to update its billing processes to optimise their workflows and to provide its customers bills which are easy to understand.
Sydney Water is the largest water and wastewater utility in Australia. We serve 5 million citizens across the Greater Sydney region. We provide water and wastewater services, and we're looking at lots of innovation around how we provide water resilience for the future.
Around 2 million Australian customers get billed by the state-owned corporation Sydney Water a year. A high administrative effort which the company's legacy billing system from the 1980s could no longer cope with. That's why Sydney Water decided to act and replace the outdated system with a modern and flexible billing platform together with SAP.
Our objective from the outset was that our customers wouldn't notice that we went through this transition, that we would continue to provide water, wastewater, billing and account services in a way that our customers expect, and they wouldn't notice that we transitioned to a very modern new system.
Today, Sydney Water works on SAP S/4HANA as well as on SAP CRM. 2.5 million people are already billed via the new system every quarter with great success.
Probably one of the greatest things that I think back is the relationships that we've built. Traditionally, business and digital areas can often butt heads, but we've developed some really amazing relationships between our partners, our digital friends, and the business, and those relationships will really help us in the next stage of our SAP journey.
Behind the scenes, business and technology teams came together in order to guarantee trouble-free work processes with the implementation of the new system, which runs on the latest innovative standard. And their effort has already paid off.
The feedback from the users has been terrific. They are excited that they are using a solution which is the latest and greatest, as well as they don't have to browse through multiple screens and don't have to pass work back to back office as often as they used to do in the old world.
We chose SAP because we thought it was a really close match for our current billing system, but most importantly, it would allow us to lay a really successful platform, a customer experience platform, of which in the future we will grow and develop and build on that platform.
With the new implemented billing system supported by SAP, Sydney Water's customers of tomorrow will be the ones benefiting from the foundations the organisation lays today.